hold up, I am on my way, I'm in motion.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to give you guys a classic holiday gold red lip look. So if you would like to see how I created this makeup look, just continue to watch. And if you're new to my channel, please make sure you hit the subscribe button down below if you haven't already, and let's get started. Okay guys, welcome back to my channel. So I want to start off by doing my eyebrows first. I'm using the Benefit Precisely My Brow Pencil in shade number 4. And then I like to start at the bottom of my eyebrows just to trace it. Fenty Beauty Hydrating foundation in 420, and just to clean up my eyebrows. To prime my eyelid, I'm using Too Faced Born This Way concealer in Butterscotch. I need a wet beauty blender, so I'll be right back. Okay, so I'm using my beauty blender just to blend out this concealer on my eyelid. I want to go for more like a tradition, Christmas festive holiday look. So I'm going to use 3 palettes in this video. So I'm taking the Aina palette first, and I'm taking the color Ginger for my transition. And first I'm going to just place the eyeshadow color where I want the eyeshadow to be. Then go back and just blend it out. Just in case you guys are getting together with your family for the holidays. If not, you can always FaceTime, but have a big face. 2020 has definitely been a game changer for a lot of people. The Juvia's Place Warrior palette. And I'm taking this brown shade right here, applied in my crease. This is a pretty brown shade. I might add a darker brown just to give it some depth, but not too much, because I still want to keep it more on the brown side, but not too smoky. I might just add just a tad on the outer corner just to give it some depth. So to deepen it up, the outer corner eye, I'm going back in with the Aina palette and taking Credit, this dark brown eyeshadow right here, and just apply it in the outer corner and halfway in, just to give me some type of dimension, but not too much. So I'm going to take this Morphe brush M506 just to be more precise in my crease area. And I'm pretty much following the depth of my eye. So here's my depth of my eye socket right here. So I'm just pretty much just going with the flow of my eye shade. Color Raine Safari palette. I want to take this gold eyeshadow right here and just apply it, or this dark gold eyeshadow right here. Both colors are really pretty. And this one is more of like a chunky gold eyeshadow. Use my finger and just apply it on my lid. When you're dealing with shimmer eyeshadows or metallic eyeshadows, sometimes using your fingers is better. It picks up a lot of the pigmentation in the eyeshadows. Look at that, that is so pretty. That's pretty. Going in with a brush just to get it in the inner corner areas. This is just one swipe. This is the reason why I like to do my face last, just in case I have any fallout, which fallout doesn't bother me. Okay, so then lightly just go back in with this brown shade right here and just go in between those gold eyeshadows, and then just apply the dark eyeshadow on the outer corner. Go back with Credit, which is that dark brown eyeshadow, and just apply it on the outer corner. And just sweep it in. For glitter, I'm taking the Urban Decay Heavy Metal Gold Glitter in Midnight Cowboy in the middle of my lid. Bobbi Brown Vitamin Enriched Face Base, the all-in-one primer and a moisturizer. Primer that I'm using all over my face is the Milk Hydro Grip Primer. Color corrects, I'm using the LA Girl Pro Corrector in orange. And this pretty much just cancels out any hyperpigmentation or discoloration. Foundation, I'm using a Fenty Hydrating Foundation in 420.
Let's go outside. We can hang out on the beach without freezing. Yeah, isn't that amazing? In Christmas times, we'll be chilling and having a good time. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling.
For concealer, I'm using Makeup Forever Matte Velvet Skin Finish Concealer in 5.1. And this is just one applicator. I haven't dipped back into the concealer, and look how much came out, just one. And again, just use the bottom of your beauty blender just to blend out any harsh line, forehead. Using the Mercier setting powder in Honey. Whatever is left over, I just kind of like to take it, the rest of the powder, and just set it to the parts where I conceal. For powder, I'm using the MAC Mineralize Face Powder in Dark Deep. MAC doesn't make the loose powder anymore, not like this one. Bronzer, the Fenty Beauty Bronzer in Cocoa Naughty. And you just want to make sure you put in the hollow parts of your cheekbone and bring it up. And I'm going to contour my temple and forehead area. In a Cover FX. And I'm taking the highlighter color in Candlelight, using my beauty blender, dab it in, and just apply it to the high part of my cheekbone. For blush, I'm taking MAC Sweetest Cocoa. So I'm taking a brown eyeliner pencil. This is the Urban Decay brown eyeliner pencil in Whiskey, and just line my lower lash line. So I'm using MAC Cherry Red Lip Pencil, whole lip with the pencil, because I believe, in my opinion, your lipstick lasts a little bit longer when your lip is covered. For lipstick, I'm using the Too Faced Melted Matte Red Lipstick in Lady Balls. To finish off my look, I'm using Urban Decay All Nighter Ultra Glow, and this is more of a hydrating setting spray. Okay guys, this pretty much completes my look. Everything came out really good, giving me more of a holiday classic gold with the red lips. So guys, if you made it this far in my video, please make sure you give this video a thumbs up. And if you haven't already subscribed to my channel, please make sure you hit the subscribe button down below so that way you guys don't miss any new uploads. Thank you guys so much for watching. See you in the next video.
Hold up, I am